While performance and specs often steal the spotlight, let's be honest, how a smartphone looks still matters. And with the iPhone 17 Pro on the horizon, one of the most intriguing rumors isn't about its chip, camera, or battery life. It's about color. According to a leak from Weibo-based source Instant Digital, the iPhone 17 Pro may debut a liquid glass-inspired finish, a shimmering white that subtly shifts under different lighting conditions. Think elegance with a twist of personality. Artist palette, a new era of iPhone colors? Apple has long divided its lineup into two tiers. Standard iPhones with bold, playful colors. Pro models with muted, premium tones. But for many users, the Pro's subdued palette feels more sterile than stylish. From desert titanium on the iPhone 16 Pro to the gray blue of the iPhone 15 Pro, Apple's top-tier phones have leaned into minimalism, sometimes at the cost of visual excitement. The rumored liquid glass color could change that. Inspired by the iOS 26 redesign, which introduced translucent UI elements and rounded icons, this new finish might bring a touch of magic to the Pro lineup. Mobile phone, what could liquid glass look like? While no official images have surfaced, the description evokes memories of past smartphone hues. Samsung Galaxy S10's Prism White, a pearlescent finish that shimmered with pinks, purples, and blues. Galaxy Note 10's Aura Glow, a rainbow-reflective back that turned heads, but maybe too flashy for Apple's taste. iPhone 13's Midnight and Starlight, subtle shifts in tone under light, hinting at hidden depth. Apple's use of frosted rear glass in recent Pro models may mute the vibrancy, but if liquid glass makes it through, it could be the most expressive Pro finish yet. Test tube iOS 20 SIXS liquid glass design, a mixed reception. Unveiled at WWDC 2025, iOS 20 SIXS liquid glass UI brought translucence and softness to the iPhone interface. While developers initially criticized its lack of clarity, especially in the control center, Apple has since refined the design in the public beta. If the iPhone 17 Pro adopts this aesthetic in hardware, it could be a bold step toward unifying software and physical design. Calendar: when is the iPhone 17 Pro launching? As with previous years, Apple is expected to unveil the iPhone 17 lineup in September 2025. While the liquid glass color remains unconfirmed, the buzz around it is growing, and it might just be the visual refresh Pro users have been waiting for. Thought balloon: final thoughts. Premium phones shouldn't have to settle for dull finishes. If Apple embraces liquid glass for the iPhone 17 Pro, it could finally give its flagship device the visual flair to match its performance. Whether you're a minimalist or a color enthusiast, this could be the year Apple breaks its own mold.